Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your rent-a-car agency business. If you offer renting car agency, then managing all the pricings and sending car availability can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created for rent-a-car agency with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I'm going to send a general message like hi. And immediately our chatbot responds with welcome to Swift Drive Rentals. Looking to rent a car? Let's get you started. Please choose an option, and it has provided us 3 options, out of which I'm going to select the first one that says car models. And our chatbot responds us with all the car models such as Maruti Swift, Hyundai Verna, etc. And it has also provided us a clickable link towards the car gallery. Second, I'm going to select the car availability option, and it responds us with please share pickup city. So here I'm going to provide a demo response as ABC city. Next, it is asking for pickup date. So here I'm going to send my pickup date like this. And our chatbot responds us with we have received your details as ABC city, and this given date we will respond with available cars shortly. Lastly, I'm going to select this option that says rental plans. And our chatbot responds us with all the available rental plans such as hatchbacks, sedans, SUVs with driver. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that I've created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get 2 options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Rent a Car Agency. On the screen, there's a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords. Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. It is a specific pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with a given format. This is the format to activate regex. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Here we have an option to choose a template, and when you click on it, you get a list of all the approved templates. You can choose any template to send to the user. Now we are going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I am going to add a welcome message like this, and our message will appear like this to the user. Here we have added little star signs as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. Here with the help of add button, I am going to add some quick reply options like this. And now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option. So let's begin with car models. And for this, I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add all the car models like this. And our text will appear like this to the user with all the models available. Next, I'm going to move ahead with our second quick response. And for this, I'm going to access the action buttons, and then I'm going to click on ask question to get a question box. And here I'm going to take details for car availability. Like this, here we are asking for pickup city. As contact custom field, I'm going to select address, and as format, I'm going to select text. And here we have number of attempts as 1. You can provide as many attempts as you want. Here I'm going to provide 3. And I'm going to leave the validation message empty. And then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Then I'm going to access another question box, and here I'm going to add pickup date like this, and in the contact custom field I'm going to select date, and as format I'm going to select date and link it to the corresponding quick reply option. Lastly, I'm going to create a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add this message like this, which will appear like this to the user. And here we have added $address and $date because these two were our contact custom fields, and $sign will make sure that they get replaced by the actual details sent by the user. Lastly, I'm going to curate a response for rental plans, and for this I'm going to access text button again, and here I'm going to add all the rental plans. Like this, it will appear like this to the user. So this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created for rent-a-car agency with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you can follow this procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your chat flow, you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.